Hi, welcome to Vegan Finds, and I am here to announce the contest winner for the I Can Cook Vegan Cookbook written by Isa Chandra Moskowitz using the YouTube or one of those random comment generators. It picked out Bernadette Sessions. You are the winner. So if you could give us a little email, let us know where to send this book to. We are happy to announce that you are the winner. And for those of you who would like to be in our next contest, it will start when we reach 200 subscribers. I won't tell you what we're giving away, but I'm sure it'll be nice. Anyway, if you like the videos, please hit subscribe, leave a comment, and get back to us. Thank you.